Welcome guys to my Python data structures and algorithm course. My name is Junior Hlongwane. In this course we'll be covering various data structures and algorithms, whereby each and every chapter will be having several interview questions whereby we'll be solving problems based on the implementation learned on the underlying data structure. We'll be covering various topics such as arrays, recursion, stacks and queues, linked list, searching and sorting algorithms, trees and graph algorithms. This course will be more on the practical side than the theory part, and I'm a huge believer of visualizing my work so to understand what's actually happening in this data structure. So expect a lot of visual content so to clearly understand what's happening with this data structure. And you should also expect a lot of practical work on each and every data structure so that you can grasp the content and understand what's actually happening. I'm a huge believer that programming is actually more of you doing than you listening to me talking about your sorting algorithms, your linked list, and how they came about to being what they are. So expect a lot of work. And a huge disclaimer for this course is that this course is not beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, I'm sorry that this course will not be for you. However, if you have few basic knowledge of programming, you can follow along with this course and actually gain a lot of knowledge and enjoy the rest of the course. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos. Goodbye. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.